Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy necklace with puff stitch. For this project I use one skein of XL from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And I use a hook number 12, then a wooden button and a decorative ribbon. Okay, now we're going to chain 5 and close it in round using a slip stitch. Okay, and this is a buttonhole. Now chain 4 and now we do the first puff stitch into the third chain. So yarn over and insert the hook into the third chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop through. There will be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over again and pull up a long loop 4 more times until we will have 11 loops on the hook. So now yarn over and pull through all 11 loops on the hook. Chain 1 to close the puff stitch. So now we are going to repeat the same sequence. So first chain 4. Then we do another puff stitch into the third chain from hook. Now we have 11 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 11 loops. Chain 1 to close the puff stitch. Chain 4 once again. Then we do another puff stitch into the third chain. Chain 1, and all we have to do now is to repeat this sequence until we will have a total of 12 puff stitches. Okay, now we have 12 puff stitches and now my necklace is about 63 centimeters long or 25 inches. So now chain 3, then we do 1 single crochet in the second chain, then we do 1 single crochet in the next chain. And now we do a slip stitch here into the chain of the last puff stitch. We will sew the wooden button here. So before to do this, cut the yarn and weave the tails using a tapestry needle. Okay, now we are ready to sew the wooden button. This time I will use a simple needle and thread. Now I want to sew a little bow, so I'm going to show you how to do with fingers. So it's very easy. And now you can sew the little bow or use a hot glue. So now let me show you the finished necklace and let me show you others with different colors. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Audrey necklace. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!